My name is Adam Berry. I'm a manufacturing engineer at Tech and Engineering Incorporated. I really have kind of an obsession with high quality products, precision, efficiencies, and it seems never ending the possibilities that you can achieve with the softwares and the machines that are being manufactured today. It's kind of fun to watch a finished die go out the door after having just weeks ago seen it in its raw components as saw-cut blocks of steel. There are many different ways to do any given task with these resources, this equipment, but there's better and worse ways. And it's good to be able to figure out and work your way through the maybe less efficient ways and settle on that better way. There's a value to things being made locally, things being made in the US, things being made well, physical products being created at the hands of interested, technically minded young people. There's more manufacturing returning back to Michigan, back to the United States, and there's going to be a higher demand for people with these skill sets. And I think it's important that we kind of rise to the occasion and meet that demand.